Usually this mask suffocates me a little bit. Fairly easy to breathe, and I'm impressed how freaking lightweight it is. It's not heavy. You can see how much time you have left on the treatment. I own, I don't know, maybe 10 of these masks right now from different brands. Any of them will have a countdown timer, which I think is very convenient. I had to put a bathrobe on because, I don't know, I'm kind of a little exposed for YouTube. This is not the right platform to be exposing my boobs. I've been struggling with acne for over 4 decades. I am almost 44 years old. I'm not spring chicken, and now that I'm 44, I still struggle with some acne. The issue that I have is that my skin is very complicated because it's still oily, and I'm starting to see, with age obviously, the fine lines and wrinkles. I don't know if it happened to you before, but every time I go for the Botox, I said, I don't know, Georgie, but your metabolism literally kicks it out of your system. I don't want to lose my movement on my face either. You know, that's the downside of Botox. I've been in the industry of beauty and fashion for, wow, over 15, 16 years, and I'm passionate about it. So I try several LED masks, I try laser mask, and I love them. I love them all. I have nothing negative to say about them, but I feel they're getting better and better and better. And this one for today that I'm here talking about is iRESTORE. I've seen a lot of commercials about this and some celebrities using this brand. I always wanted to give it a try, and finally I was able to give it a go.
If your skin has been looking tired, textured, dull, or just not how you want it to look on camera, I get it. Lately, one of the things I've been adding into my routine is LED light therapy, and honestly, I've really been enjoying how easy it is to use. That's the biggest thing for me. And it gives you that feeling that you're actually doing something supportive for your skin without turning it into a whole production.
Hello my icons! How are you guys doing today? Welcome to my new bathroom! Very close and personal in here. Okay, so if you're here, you know that I talk about things about fashion, about beauty, about obviously skincare, fragrances, intimate topics, wellness, underwear, swimwear, and all the above. Tech stuff. Wow, what I have not talked about in my channel? Everything. I don't know, I love it all, but I'm very passionate about it, and I have over 16 years of experience in all of this industry, so you're in good hands. So welcome once again, and if you are new here, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, you know the drill, and let's just have some fun. I am extremely passionate for skincare. It is your largest organ in your body. So please do not neglect your skin. I don't care what you buy, I don't care what you use, just use something. Guess what? When the damage is done, the damage is done. And it takes a lot of money, it takes a lot of effort to do some repairing. And sometimes there's no turning back, honestly. Doesn't matter what product, doesn't matter what you do to your face, there's no turning back. So start right now. Pay attention, okay? With that being said, I want to talk about a product that if you have ever struggled with any type of redness, inflammation, acne, like in my case, the first signs of aging, like a little bit of wrinkles, a little bit of crow's feet happening, this is the time that you need to react. And don't wait until you get to 80 years old to do something about it. Because if you have good skincare, if you look good, confidence immediately goes up, your finances are gonna be better because probably you're gonna attract a better job, or a better partner, or whatever. Or you might be able to get a divorce and get a better new husband. I don't know, whatever it is. So pay attention to the skincare because that's huge. More than makeup, starts with good skin, okay? This mask in here, it weighs nothing. This is gonna help you with anti-aging. This is gonna help you with the redness. It's gonna help you with a number of skincare problems. If you happen to have them. If you have good skin and you're super happy, then use it because you're happy. However, with that being said, you know that all of us has collagen. And as we age, it doesn't matter. Collagen is going to start dropping. You gotta help that internally. You need to help your collagen to keep moving and to keep going as much as possible. I'm not saying that this is gonna fix all your problems. It's not gonna happen, but it's gonna make a huge difference. Okay, so let me do the demonstration very quickly. We're gonna start with the setting P1, which is the infrared light. So right off the bat, easy to put on, just strap it in the back. You can only do one strap if you want. If you want that extra comfort, you see you even have to strap this at the bottom and it doesn't go anywhere. Now, if you want it closer to your face, just strap it in the back, voila. And you're gonna have, boom, that extra light right on you. However, you're not gonna get blinded. It has a good amount of space around the eye area. What you do is just long press, power, hit almost like the clay button, I would call it, right there, and it starts. It has a countdown, only 10 minutes, that's all you need, 3 times a week. Don't think you're gonna use this mask one use and see the results, because it's not gonna work. Don't even bother wasting your money or your time. Since I've been doing laser treatments, this type of devices on my face, I have seen huge improvement. I'm sorry if I sound muffled, but obviously I'm speaking to the mask. I just want to give you the whole vibe. This is anti-aging, this is collagen, that's the red light. That's what's gonna help you with. Now what you gotta do, it has to be off before you change settings, okay? Then it will go to P2, then you hit play, and now the color is purple. I know what red does, I know what blue does. I know blue is to kill bacteria, for acne. But purple, I don't remember. What is it? Of course, red and blue is purple, Georgie. I'm a makeup artist and I don't know that. Hello? Yes, it's the mix of the two lights. I'm getting old and I still have freaking acne. I think I need purple. P3. Now we're going to hit play and now we are in blue mode. This is if you have very oily skin, acne prone. Again, perfect example in here. Like, look at this freaking breakout that I have in here. So, on my face, I'm not breaking out as much. You know why? Whew. I'm in Florida and today the weather is about 92 degrees and I'm literally like in a sauna, melting, sweating. However, this is not as warm as my other masks. I have a leather one, this is kind of like a rubber. It kind of suffocates me a little bit, so that one I use not as often, honestly. This one, it is so lightweight, I can breathe way better. So definitely I'm enjoying this quite a lot. Now, the results, obviously it takes some time to see all the results. I'm here with you. Up close and personal so you can see. So this is my skin. I have nothing on. So I am here editing the video and I want to show you on this light how my skin looks. So here I am, very close, very close. The thing is, on my Sony camera, it has like that illumination and all of that, so my skin looks even more blurred. So now you can really see my imperfections and you can see everything up close. It's not that perfect, however, I still say, not bad for my age, right? You agree? You can see a little bit of the past redness and acne that I had in the past. However, the light therapy has helped to balance the tone of my skin quite a bit. All the lines in here are way smoother. All of this in here, I still have them, you see? I smile, I have some of that, but it is not as deep, I would say. So, you know, I'm pretty satisfied with my skin right now. I don't hate it. I think there's room for improvement. I always think that, but I'm happy with it. Your skin has to be clean, completely clean before you use this device. Make sure that you do not go in the shower with it. And also make sure that your skin is not wet when you put the mask on, okay? So if you go to the description right there below, you can see the product link. Also a discount code. It is GeorgieFM. Of course, any discount definitely alleviates the pocket a little bit. So I'm always very happy to provide any type of discount that I can for you. And if you enjoyed this video, again, hit the like button, please do. It helps the algorithm a lot. So hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet, so you can actually keep enjoying more videos like this one, product reviews, again, things about fashion, beauty, and all the fun stuff. This is such a lovely community. We are still growing. We are close to hit 50,000 subscribers. We are still really small here, but I am glad of you and all of you that watch and support my channel. Love you all so much. Mwah. It means the world to me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I will see you on my next video. Take care, my icons. Mwah. Have an amazing day. And again, take care of your skin. Okay. Y te quería comentar, antes que se me olvidara, cómo esto viene empacado. Vamos a ver que, por ejemplo, que quieres comprar el producto, quieres saber cómo es el empaque. Pues mira, tiene una cajita así grandecita y te da muchísima información aquí en la cajita. Dentro te viene con un bolsito. ¡Ah! Te hablo en español. ¿Qué me pasó? And I'm Spanish, so I'm sorry. Wow, Georgie. It comes with a little baggie, so if you're traveling, it's very easy to store. This is very important, so especially if you suffer from acne, like I was saying earlier, that's gonna help to keep the mask looking good, but also avoid unnecessary bacteria to keep spreading. Just clean it, just wipe it. It comes with a charger, except for, of course, the square, because nothing comes with a square anymore. I did a video recently talking about the eye mask. So I think this is a good starting point. So let's say that you're starting to see the first signs of aging around the eye area, and you don't want to jump into the whole experience of the face mask. A great product to start with. But also what is good about it too, it brightens your eye. So it makes your eyes more refreshed and more like, I don't know, like awake, and it's nice. So I like the way it feels under my eyes, and they feel also a little bit tighter. I'm having a 𝐬𝐶 moment right now. If you're a skincare junkie like me, of course, you can bundle up